How-to video, checking a fire door. This how-to video has been developed to help property managers check the adequacy of fire doors at their properties. How effective a fire door will be in preventing smoke and fire spread will be determined by the condition of the door and the adequacy of various components and door features, which will be covered by this video. This video has been based on the standards set out in British Standard 476 Part 22 and also in compliance with the general requirements of the Regulatory Reform Fire Safety Order 2005. Firstly, you will need to check that the door itself is maintained in good condition and free from holes, warping or any other damage. You will then need to ensure that the door itself is of an adequate thickness, which for a half-hour rated fire door is 44mm. The next element to check will be the condition of any glazing panel, which may be either Georgian wired or clear glazing. If a clear glazing panel is present, ensure the glass is etched with a fire-rated marking. Furthermore, check that the wooden glazing beading is in good repair and preferably the glass is further secured by intumescent sealant. Now turning to the door hinges, ideally there will be 3 fire-rated hinges, e.g. steel hinges, at the top, middle and bottom of the door as indicated. Please be aware that 3 hinges will be required for an hour rated fire door, however 2 hinges may be sufficient for a half-hour rated fire door. Also be aware that rising butt hinges or 2 brass hinges will not be acceptable. Next, you will need to check the intumescent strips and cold smoke seals, which must be complete, that is, with no gaps, and that the strips are in good repair. Be aware that these strips and seals may be present in the door frame or in the door itself. Another important element of a fire door is the self-closing device. Each fire door must be fitted with an effective self-closing device which closes the fire door automatically. Preferably, the self-closing device will be an overhead mechanism. However, mechanisms may also be positioned in the door hinge edge, e.g. a double intumescent chain closer, for example, a Perco. Finally, the door must close flush against its door stops with any gaps not exceeding 3mm. In conclusion, fire doors are critical for protecting escape routes and for preventing the spread of smoke and fire, and therefore all elements described must be considered carefully so that the door will function effectively. For further information, please contact a member of our fire safety team. Thanks for watching.